Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for YouTube using Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then visit youtube.com and in case required, sign into your account. After that, click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner and in the drop down, select share and save and then click on this one create shortcut option. Here you can check this one option open as window to open YouTube in a new window, and in case you want to open YouTube in a new tab on your Windows PC, leave this one option unchecked and then click on this one create button. This will create a desktop shortcut for YouTube on your Windows PC. By double click on this one shortcut option, you can always open YouTube on your Google Chrome browser.